Welcome to CAD station. Today we are going to draw this part. As you can see, this is a basic exercise. As you can see on the base, first of all I am going to draw this sketch in front plane. As you can see, this is the U channel on the base, which is inverted U. First we will draw this inverted U, then we will draw these upper edges or upper wall of the drawing, then we can extrude this side edge. So let's start. First of all, we are going to draw a new part. Okay, then as I have told, we are going to draw on front plane sketch, then line. Today I am not going to draw our sketch on, from the origin, which is a cause I will explain you later. Draw this line, vertical line, horizontal line, then again a vertical line, and from here to here. This U is done. Now make some relations. Press escape, select this line, press Ctrl and select this line and make relation equal. Then select this line and select this line and make a relation equal. Then what I am going to do, select midpoint of this line, midpoint, once again select midpoint, then midpoint of this line. Okay, and make a relation vertical. Now select this midpoint and the origin, okay, first select origin, then the midpoint of this line and make a relation coincident. Now this is done. Then make dimensions. As you can see, this height is 40 and 60. I'm going to draw in millimeters. Okay, smart dimension. This side is of 40, outer side is of 60, then this is 20, 35, 75, 20, 35, and this will by default already has 10 of 75. Okay, now furthermore 75, 20, 40, 60, these all dimensions have done. Now we have to extrude it up to 90 millimeters. Features, extrude up to 90 millimeters. Okay, one more thing, I am to extrude it from the back of the sketch. So it's done. Okay, now you can see this inverted U channel has done. Now I'm going to draw this upper part. So select this face, sketch, Ctrl 8, select line command. From the corner edge, which is shown by a point, always click on the point, otherwise on dimensioning or on an extrude process it will make some problems. So always click on this point. Okay, now for dimensioning, this radius is showing as 18 millimeters. Smart dimension. This edge is of not smart dimension, flat. This is of 18 millimeters. Okay, one more thing, smart dimension. From this to this line is exact 45 degree, and furthermore you can see its height is not mentioned clearly, but it is 60 millimeters. Then it should be from here, the center point to the upper edge should be 60 millimeters. So from this line is of 60 millimeters. Then furthermore you can see this from center to this edge is 35, so make it of 30. First delete this. First make this as 35, and I don't think yes, it's done. No need to mention the dimension of the side, otherwise if it's required then we will mention in the coming steps. So one more thing, here is a circle hole, so make a circle. Just draw a circle, smart dimension. This circle is of 20 millimeter dia, smart dimension. This circle is of 20 mm, and where is its center point? 20 millimeter from bottom and 35 millimeter from left corner. 20 and 35 from midpoint, from the midpoint to the edge or to the smart dimension. From midpoint to the side is 20. From center point to this edge is 35. Now it's done. And 20 millimeter up, we have drawn it. Yeah, we have drawn it 20 millimeters. Everything is done. Now delete this, and features, we have to extrude it up to 15 millimeters. So extrude up to 15 millimeters, and for select contours like this contour, click on this reverse direction arrow, so this sketch will be in the inverted view. Okay, now you can see this side is done. This side is same as this, so as we use in previous tutorials, we will use reference geometry. Or first try to mirror it. Mirror plane, it is asking of plane, but select right plane, and for this extrude boss. Okay, now it's done. Now you have to draw this part. So for this, select this side, sketch, control 8. Now you can see, just roughly sketch this line from this edge, some angle, then here, and okay. Now you can see this radius, flit radius is of 12, so flit this edge and 12. Okay, now it's done. Furthermore, you can see this distance is 15, so roughly make it of 15. Smart dimension, this is of 15. From here to here distance is 60. As you can see, it shows from center to this height is 60. Now make a circle of 16 millimeters. Circle from this to this, and dimension, its dimension is of 16. Okay, it's done. Now we have to extrude it. Extrude up to this is 15. So come here, features, extrude 15, select this contour, reverse direction. Okay, it's done. Now we have to select this sketch, control 8, one circle, select circle and make a circle. This circle is of 25, 25 from this edge to a smart dimension from center to here is 22.5, and select the circle and drag it here. Now you can see it's done. Features, extrude cut through all. Okay, now this is finally done. Simple, go to appearance, give it some appearance as uh, oh, first escape and then go to appearance, give it some appearance like this. It's okay. Furthermore, you can make it gray. Press Ctrl, select and select, and just click on edit reference and it will automatically convert into gray. Okay, and select this appearance. Okay, now this has been done. Change its view, and you can change its plain white, perspective, or you can simply make it. Yeah, as you can see, this has been done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned from this. Similarly, as I have told in every tutorial, you can ask me on, if you have any query, you can ask me on comment, or you can simply send email to me. Thank you. Like this video, share to your friends, and also subscribe Cat Station. Thank you.